Well, we are the
अरे रुक
repair.
कुछ हो गया बस आपके एक्शन बोलने पर ही कुछ हो गया.
नहीं, we can आप उसको that is part of the fun.
It is not part of the fun.
We
It's
are
not
the
fun.
basic
Having
repair.
something hanging out your ass, Faridun.
That's even better.
Contrary
Actually.
to popular belief.
That's even better.
Why is
So
it
we
even
have
better?
this-
Anything to do with
we
my
have-
ass is good.
No. That is we will come to that. So we have with us the basic repair that almost everyone has been talking about and waiting for this interview. We have with us Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor. Here to have you guys on board.
Thank you.
You know, actually, we have taken quite a few questions.
How can you
from
start
your-
with questions? You know the riwaz. When it comes to you and me, you know
Next,
the riwaz.
the
It has
movie.
to be a musical start from me
we'll come to
and
that.
a musical conclusion from you. Is it a deal?
So you
Is it a deal?
आप start करिए ना.
Oh, do you sing?
Okay. Can we?
sing?
Can
You
we?
don't know about him.
Okay.
Does he sing?
You have to. I'll show you the video.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm
now,
gonna
should
watch
we
the
He's
continue?
done
video.
a cover of Labo Ka Karwa. It's
Really?
one of the most beautiful things.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it.
I think-
Okay.
After this interview.
Right.
we're watching it.
So you know, considering the movie is totally unconventional, so we'll have one question that is very interesting from one of the fans, and we'll take that and then we'll proceed. This is Mehak from New Delhi, and she has asked.
Mehak Dhawan तो नहीं है?
Both. Yeah, Mehak Dhawan.
Who's Meg Dhawan?
So
Meg Dhawan.
You're
Very
fine.
special.
okay, so the
person.
question is for both of you. So both of you have to answer that best kiss amongst those 23 in the movie. So which is the best kiss?
The
according-
best one. The best one, Vani. The best one.
I'm thinking. All are good, yeah. I don't have like
जो उल्टे लटकते हैं वो वाला किया.
too much giveaway.
The best kiss for me was that's a good question. Which
Yeah.
was the best one?
That's why I've taken it in the beginning itself.
I think the first one.
I was just thinking that. You
Yeah,
know.
it
Wow.
was just magic.
I was thinking that.
I can't tell you when, where, and all, but
Right.
it was the
Yeah.
first one. I think it's the.
I was gonna say
No, I
the
can't
same
say any more than this. I'm giving too much away.
Yeah.
But let's just call it the first one. The first kiss was
The best.
The first kiss.
I-
magic.
Okay,
Felt
fantastic.
like magic.
All right, now you guys have some very interesting videos, making videos and all sorts of stuff. So I was going through this video of you and the jokes. So where you're saying something which is I found quite funny and hilarious that पानी देने गया था वहाँ एक पौधे में एक सांप टाइप का था पैंट खोली डर के भाग गया असली एनाकोंडा.
It's a true story. We were shooting in.
So you actually
We were shooting in like a
Until
small part of
before the-
Cannes. We were in Cannes, and yeah, because there's a lot of like forested area over there, so there are a lot of like pashu pakshi and all those types of things. So
Right.
I went to I drink a lot of water on the set, so I go often, and sometimes I have to just go
Paris
wherever I
में?
can.
Paris.
पेरिस में नहीं, कैन में.
Okay.
लेकिन झाड़ियों में चला गया और वहाँ मुझे दिखा बकायदा एक सांप टाइप का था वहाँ पे, लेकिन मेरे आने से जैसे ही मैं आया और
नहीं एनाकोंडा क्या था उसमें?
हाँ
क्या था?
नहीं वो सांप छोटा सा था बाकी
एनाकोंडा था.
You're so inquisitive to know.
Okay, and you have these diaries of Shaira.
Yes.
And you say some, I think, very interesting thing, that secret to sound French sounds sexy no matter what you say.
That's why even if
Even-
Ranveer doesn't know French, he sounds sexy all the time. So
Yeah.
it seems like he's talking French.
Even when you're telling someone that you smell bad, you're saying it in such a manner that the person wouldn't know what you're saying.
Exactly. See, that's the trick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the trick. So how much time did you take for
से
for
मेरे
learning?
कन्ने चक्कू है in
इतनी
French.
French नहीं आती मुझे.
और से
Je
मेरे
ne
कन्ने
sais pas.
मेरे कन्ने चक्कू
Je ne
है.
sais pas, Ranveer.
I'm sure this is not मेरे कन्ने चक्कू है.
नहीं, that.
Okay.
I don't know Ranveer is what I
इसका
said.
डायलॉग था मेरे कन्ने चक्कू है.
पर ये
Guess
तो
करो.
इंग्लिश में भी नहीं बोलना
Guess
आएगा.
करो.
This is not.
मेरे चन्ने
मेरे कन्ने चक्कू है.
मेरे कन्ने कान में चाकू है.
मेरे कन्ने चक्कू है. I have got a चक्कू.
अच्छा.
I have no
No,
idea. I have no idea.
No, Shakti Kapoor.
Shakti Kapoor.
कौन
Say-
सी मूवी?
Je m'appelle कन्ने, je m'appelle
Je
चक्कू.
me bats, कन्ने, je me bats, चाकू.
कुछ भी.
So how much time did you spend on learning French?
Months.
Couple of, actually almost a month here
Right.
in India, and then
Right.
there I went for my look test. But before the look test happened, they put me in this little French learning center where I
Right.
used to go early 7 a.m. in the morning to learn French.
And what
they
did
used
you
to
do?
put headset on my.
And what did you
So I used
do?
to put headset and fall asleep, which Adi doesn't know. but अब चलो movie हो गई now. I can
देखा
talk
सर,
about it now.
मैंने बोला था ना.
You
मैंने
don't
बोला
mind
था.
ना? अच्छा सही. See, he's saying I don't mind.
बिल्कुल सीरियस नहीं है ये लड़की.
Oh, so he's saying.
बिल्कुल सीरियस नहीं है. इतना सताया मुझे शूटिंग के टाइम पे, मैं बताया था आपको, अब पोल खुल गई.
Okay, now you're having Aditya Chopra film.
Yes, of
we
Yes,
saw
sir.
that.
How are you, sir?
We can feel his
Doing
presence.
all right.
We can-
He's a bit nervous.
I'm
He doesn't
sure.
do too many
I know.
interviews.
I'm sure that
It's
he
okay,
doesn't.
sir. We got you. We've been promoting for a few days now, and
I
think
love
we're
seeing
getting
Aditya Chopra in this
Yeah,
zone.
where
Right.
think we're getting into a little bit of a groove. We got this.
Right.
And he's very warm. He's very kind,
can
very
predict
courteous,
his-
very intelligent, and we always have substantial, interesting discussions. And I think you will quite enjoy.
Right. The question is that considering that he's considered one of the iconic directors that we have, and you guys are part of the film, and he's just totally he's known to be that romantic director, like ultimate romance and all those things. But suddenly he's just breaking all conventions and is just going befikre. Like befikre in the most like no boundaries in any sense whatsoever. Indian cinema में मेरे ख्याल से बहुत टाइम से कभी देखा भी नहीं गया होगा इस तरीके का, इस किस्म की that intimacy की that अगर जो आपके मतलब महसूस कर रहे हैं आप, तो आप उसको बयान भी कर रहे हैं, and you're actually doing it, that you're not actually looking at palatna, you're actually just checking out the ass actually and admitting that, which is and for a woman I think that is really wonderful. So how was your experience when you got to know that you will be directed by Aditya Chopra, and that too in a film which is totally something else?
बताओ सर, क्या हो क्या गया है आपको? हो क्या गया? Suddenly आप ऐसे बेफिक्रे, be carefree, no
I've never seen
judgment,
Adi Chopra this
no
zen.
rules, no judgment. I think he's going into a shell. He's very nervous about
That's why
this public
that's why I think you should share your
Sir, if
Should I-
he's there, he'll take care of
You
us.
want me to say?
Yeah.
You want me to say? Okay.
Right. Please, yeah.
It's his first time, man. He's not used to all.
Yes.
So, acha, in case you guys are wondering, Adi sir is right here. That's actually who we were talking and referring to. लेकिन वो दिखते नहीं है ना, इसलिए।
सर मेरे पास टाइम बहुत लिमिटेड है,
अच्छा,
वो अभी
time
वहाँ
कम
से-
है?
हाँ तो लेट्स
क्यों, क्या हुआ आपको? कुछ रोग हुआ है?
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम
अच्छा,
नहीं है, वहाँ से
जिंदगी में
वो
नहीं, इस इंटरव्यू के लिए? अच्छा, मैंने कहा मेरे पास टाइम कम है, मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है? ए दिल में मुश्किल 2 तो नहीं बन रही यहाँ पे।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि इसमें मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्रिस्क पेस
थोड़ा हल्का हाथ रखे सर, आपने डरा दिया मुझे कह के मेरे पास टाइम कम है यार। मैंने कहा क्या हो गया मेरे दोस्त को?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मेरे पास टाइम ही टाइम है, मेरे पास टाइम ही टाइम है, लेकिन ये है कि थोड़ा सा आप
बॉलीवुड मामा के पास टाइम
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप भावना को समझिए, आप प्लीज अगर आप एक जवाब हमारा अगर पूरा मुकम्मल हो जाएगा, then we can proceed to the next
सर
one.
भावना कौन है?
भावना I'll tell you.
आपको डांस सिखाती थी ना भावना?
हाँ, actually.
अच्छा.
क्या डांस किया है वानी ने? शीज कमाल की डांस है।
Yeah, I think she's
है ना?
both of you guys. Even you have I think danced very well.
Well,
In fact,
we've
Sir,
been
मैंने
watching his
saw them
fabulous
making-
dances.
I think I'm a very-
band baja. I think
I
saw
his
them-
best. We
Nashid
all
Sharif.
loved him in Dum Dum.
Yeah.
That song in
दम
band
दम
baja.
दम मस्त है,
Love that.
Correct.
कैसी ये जस्त है। आप तो उर्दू में एक्सपर्ट है सर, जस्त क्या होता है?
Just है.
just
Just है. Just
दम
है.
दम दम मस्त है,
Right.
कैसी ये
ये
जस्त है।
Just है.
just
Is it like
I'm
just?
not totally sure.
तेरी धुन में दिल है बंजारा।
Yeah.
सर मैं बनूंगा,
just
एक
as
दिन
I
मैं
बनूंगा।
बनूंगा ट्रिपल थ्रेट। मुझे एक्टिंग आएगी, सिंगिंग भी आएगी और डांसिंग भी
Singing आप
आएगी।
इतना अच्छा करते हैं, आप तो हर वक्त आप रैपिंग
सब पता है, मेरी
जब
टीम
देखो
जो है ना,
तो
मैं
आप
दिन भर गाने गाते रहता हूँ ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर वर्क डे, और वो कान बंद करते हैं, हाथ जोड़ते हैं,
मुझसे
प्लीज
better गाते
कहते हैं आप ये टेलीविजन शोज में जाते हैं, आप ये गाना वाना गाते हैं, प्लीज खुदा के लिए मत गए, इट्स लाइक टॉर्चर। What they break my spirit, Faridun.
अच्छा।
I think I'm a great singer.
बिल्कुल fabulous actually.
But what I do, I think I'm a limited dancer though, Faridun.
नहीं, I think
Dancing की बात हुई,
Nashid
I
ही चल रही है, I think you are
no, I need to work on it, and I know this. I know
Basically,
this.
he wants us to just praise him.
No, not really. I genuinely think, and I told Vaibhavi, man, I'm going to try like upping my dance game this time. But I think it's a function of the time you spend in rehearsals.
वानी जी, हम लोग क्वेश्चन से
Training.
बहुत दूर तक जा चुके हैं. What was your reaction when you came to know that you'll be directed by Aditya Chopra?
Of course, बहुत बड़ी बात है कि आदि saw the potential in me. Actually, मुझे शुद्ध सी कि सक्सेस पार्टी के अगले दिन he had called me and he said कि आप रुकिए, आप में बहुत potential है, I want to give you a good project. कौन सा project है? He wasn't sure of back then because he
Right.
wasn't even done writing the script and all. So he just said you wait for the right project and you know you do your auditions and workshops with Shanu. And I'll let you know whenever something really good comes from YRF, from when I think of a good project for you. Otherwise. Anyways, you're most welcome. आप बाहर काम ले सकती है कोई ऐसे. There's no conditions that have been put. I waited. I did my workshops, and right before he told me that he's taking me on for his movie, we were already doing workshops, me and Adi.
Right.
So that ice had broken. I was very comfortable, and he just one fine day just said, "Arey, haan, by the way, I'm making this movie and you're in it." So it was very it didn't really sink in.
Correct.
वो feeling नहीं आई थी कि वो है, and I knew that Ranveer Singh is in the movie because I read धर्म का पार है. I'm like, oh God, I can completely visualize Ranveer Singh.
पहले शॉट में गैस कर लिया तूने?
Like if he said, guess who's playing Dharam? I'm like Ranveer Singh.
अच्छा?
I said, and yeah.
Immediately,
He
first
thought,
one.
he thought
first
I
guess.
wouldn't be able to guess or whatever. पता नहीं क्यों मैं ऐसा लगा, but I guessed in yeah.
First guess.
First go, yeah. You can ask Adi, है ना?
सही बोल रही है?
Right.
चलो.
No, and primarily my question was also that you're doing like a very unconventional movie, and there's a lot of physical intimacy involved. Maybe something.
This looks like an
something-
unconventional movie.
I think so. Doesn't it?
No, I was asking. I'm sorry.
In terms of because
Yeah.
there were so many conjectures whether it will be passed through censors in the first place or not, considering that even James Bond can't kiss anymore. So in that context, you're having like more than 20 kisses and all those things. So
James Bond can't kiss anymore?
yeah,
मुझे नहीं बनना James
it
Bond.
was.
मैं इतने अरसे से सोच रहा हूँ मैं बनूंगा एक
Right.
मैं करूँगा James
बिल्कुल.
Bond.
नहीं, primarily my question was
Sean
when you
Connery
came to
और
know
Pierce
that
Brosnan के
there's
बाद.
a lot of physical intimacy involved. So how was your what was your reaction like?
I'm very happy that the censors they didn't have a preconceived notion कि and they weren't like that impressionable. They saw the movie for what it is and
क्या बात है?
उन्होंने भी कुछ सोच समझ के ही UA सर्टिफिकेट दिया होगा. So I think which people will also discover eventually when they watch the film.
Once they watch it.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट जब किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप देखें ना तो फिर वो ऐसे नहीं लगता आपको
जी.
तो oh my god किस है it feels like
Yeah.
very warm full of love.
Right.
दिखाऊं मैं आपको? डेमो करके
आप चाहते हैं आप ऑफ कैमरा करना चाहते हैं अरे वो भाग गए अरे
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
भागो मत
आदि सर नाराज हो गए
नो रूल्स
नहीं,
नो
इतना
बाउंड्रीज
बेफिक्र मैं नहीं हूँ
नो
सर.
रूल्स नो बाउंड्रीज नो जजमेंट
you want him to do this but off camera
अच्छा, I want him to do this.
of course you're waiting this was your dream
Like you-
you're a man crushing on him
Man crushing.
आई एम मैन क्रशिंग ऑन हिम
ऐसा.
you've never heard him sing have you
ऐसा.
just two lines just now
Okay.
Yeah.
you hear him sing you'll also have a crush on him
Let's have a few segments actually.
let's have a few seconds
There are few segments actually. So let's.
I also heard what he heard
इतनी शार्प है तू इन मामलों में
What did you hear?
इन मामलों में इतनी शार्प है
जो
तू,
रणवीर ने अभी
बदमाश
सोचा
कहीं की।
वही सोचा
What did you hear?
let's
इसका वन
have
ट्रैक
a
माइंड है
few
सर
Let's have a few.
वन ट्रैक माइंड है इसका
अच्छा लग रहा है.
let's have few yeah interactive
शी इज अ बेफिक्र
Great. Whatever आपको जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे आपको सुनने में वही बोला
he
गया.
missed it he doesn't
Okay.
know
So the
we
first one that we have is जी.
we know he doesn't know we know
Okay, we'll hear it on the edit actually. So how well do Ranveer and Vani they know each other?
no okay
Okay, and you can win something for that as well. So can we have?
I can win something?
Yes, you
then तो I'm going all for
you can win something for this.
उसके पास तो एक boom box है
here
अच्छा
is
अच्छा
You can possibly win for this.
that looks hot
Okay, so
That does.
आप मानेंगे नहीं
That's
I
pretty
need
cool,
मेरे
yeah.
टूट गए I need headphones
you'll have to.
I'm desperate for
so
this
he let me win and then I shall gift him later
जी अच्छा.
but he let me win
बड़े दिल वाली
मूड किया तो गिफ्ट होगा
अच्छा मूड
Okay, now this is we'll start with ladies first if you allow. All right. So how well does Vani Kapoor know Ranveer Singh? Ranveer Singh won his first Filmfare Award for Band Baja Barat. Is it true or false?
yes true he did win
Okay, 1-0. I'll give you options for this as well. Ranveer did his bachelor's degree from which university? Purdue University, University of Indianapolis, Indiana University Bloomington, University of Notre Dame.
how many options have you given
Four. 4 options.
ये
I'll give you
सारे
one
ना
second.
एक दूसरे के पास है.
Purdue University, University of Indianapolis.
Little tough.
C is Indiana University Bloomington, University of Notre Dame.
मेरी आंखों से कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा.
बता ना.
He helped out Deepika. She ended up winning actually. You remember that?
She knew this.
We got like 1.5 million video views for that video.
Me and the Deepika.
Yes. That particular.
ये I am not going to help her at all
Right.
because
So
I need to
mean.
win these
इसने
headphones.
मुझे कभी नहीं बताया.
Take a guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. Purdue University, University of Indianapolis, Indiana University Bloomington, University of.
Indiana University Bloomington.
क्या बात है? Good and calculated guess.
I had emphasized upon that.
No, you did. No, you did.
Bloomington पे I did.
No, please.
तो आप किसी किसी का मदद करना चाहो आप उसके बाद.
थोड़ा बहुत करते ना बच्चन साहब थोड़ा बहुत.
When is Ranveer Singh's birthday? 5th July, 6th July, 8th July, 10th August.
अगस्त में तो नहीं है, जुलाई में आता है.
5th, 6th, 8th.
5th or 6th or 8th? 8th or 6th?
Take one chance. Second chance is a better.
Yeah, can I?
Phone a friend.
I should have.
50-50.
हाँ. 50-50.
या फिर-
नहीं, not 50-50.
There's no
या
50.
फिर ऑडियंस की
There's-
राय.
Audience
there's
का
no.
आपको पता है?
I said second choices are better at times. So
50-50.
Yeah,
What do you? क्या आप 50-50 की लाइफलाइन इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे?
It's either the 6th or the 8th.
take one chance.
Oh, this is
First
too
impression
okay.
to
I'm
last
gonna start
impression.
sweating now.
First
I hate
impression.
losing now. Please don't make me lose. अरे यार, you're laughing यार. You're not telling. He's just doing
बताइए वानी जी बताइए.
6th.
करेक्ट आंसर. मैं आपको तब से बोल रहा हूँ जब आपने 6th और 8th और 6th बोला तो मैंने
I
कहा
said
second.
either 8th or 6th. 8th or 6th.
I was telling you second chances are better at times. I'm giving you a
अरे
hint over
What
it.
यार?
3-0. Okay. अगर जिगर की जगह जिगर है और जिगर में दम है .. If you have to complete this line from गुंडे. अगर जिगर की जगह जिगर है और जिगर में
Classic that is good day.
..
Options?
I'll give you options. तो पकड़ ले आके तो ठोक ले आके तो रोक ले आके तो मार दे आके
तो
मार दे आके
मार
दे आके तो पकड़
मार
ले
दे
आके तो ठोक ले आके तो रोक ले आके तो
ठोक
मार
ले
दे आके.
ये मेरा माइंड नहीं है.
How
इसका
do you
one
not
track
know
mind
this?
है.
This is from the classic. That is good day.
अगर जिगर की
Godfather
जगह
and
जिगर
Good
है
Day
और
both
जिगर में
filmed
दम है. अगर जिगर की जगह जिगर है और जिगर में दम है .
जिगर की जगह जिगर है और जिगर में दम है.
तो पकड़ ले आके तो ठोक ले आके तो रोक ले आके तो मार दे आके.
रोक ले आके.
Yeah.
करेक्ट.
That's because Gunde is a classic.
I just know Ranveer too well.
Gunde and Godfather दो ही फिल्म है.
इसका बस
Okay.
चलता तो ठोक ले आकर होता, बट क्योंकि इसने नहीं लिखा डायलॉग तो रोक ले आके.
अच्छा जी. ऐसा है.
Ranveer recently rapped a song for a clothing brand. Name the song.
हाँ, sorry.
Ranveer recently rapped
Jack
a
and
song.
Jones.
The name of the song actually.
अच्छा.
Can't hold back, never hold back, don't hold back, hold back.
I didn't-
Can't hold back, never hold back, don't hold back, hold back.
इसमें 50-50.
50 का actually option नहीं है.
50-50 का लाइफलाइन इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे?
हाँ जी.
कंप्यूटर जी.
दो option
हटाइए,
है.
दो ऑप्शन हटाइए.
Okay, so never hold back, don't hold back.
क्या सेक्सी कंप्यूटर है.
Never hold back.
No, it's don't hold back.
You didn't let me come. No, but you did not let me complete. I was going to say
Fail.
never hold back.
Hashtag
It's not the
fail.
one. It's the other one. You didn't let me complete
That's
this.
very smart.
No,
to say actually.
but you didn't let me complete.
नहीं, मैं आपकी भावनाओं को समझ रहा हूँ जो भी है, लेकिन it's like 4 out of 5, which is not a bad move.
Not a bad
score at all.
We have to make sure
So
he.
it's not a bad score at
Actually, he
all.
doesn't know much.
Not a bad score.
चलो देखते हैं.
Okay,
I
so
know everything.
let's find out how
Unlike
much
you,
how much
man.
does Ranveer know. Vani, when is Vani Kapoor's birthday? 23rd August, 22nd August, 21st August, 24th August.
हारा.
23rd August, 22nd August, 21st August, 24th.
This is going to be sad, Ranveer. I knew.
That's damn confusing for you. How can you give me 21st, 22nd, 23rd?
I was about 6th and 8th and 4th. So
Yeah,
close.
these are damn hard.
First impressions or the last impression? 23rd August, 22nd August, 21st August, 24th August. I'm giving you the hint.
I don't know, you can't make it obvious. Now you can't say it. Now you can't say it.
What?
No, when is Vani Kapoor's birthday? 23rd August, 22nd August, 21st August, 24th August.
24th August.
अरे मैं 20
23rd August.
अब तो हो गया नहीं वो बोल
अब
दिया
हो
उसने
गया, अब तो आपने
24 चलो ये तो हारा
तो
ये तो गया
zero,
ये
zero.
तो हारा
Okay, which is Vani Kapoor's birthplace? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Shimla.
This is a trick question, isn't it? This is a trick question.
very
This is a trick question.
Which is Vani Kapoor's birthday? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata.
मेरी शक्ल पे नहीं लिखा आदि से आप बताइए ना रिजेक्ट करो I'm going to be so sad if you can't even answer one single question.
I mean, she's a Delhi girl, but
Answer?
she's not born in Delhi.
yeah, so where am I born? Where was I born?
I think I don't wanna. I'm pretty sure it's not Mumbai. It's either Kolkata.
Sometimes your first
No, you can't keep hinting on this.
your guess होता
No,
है.
there's no hinting happening.
Hinting.
I didn't get my.
You तो
But I think she's so Delhi that I think it's Delhi.
it is Delhi.
Yeah, because she's so Delhi.
Frankly,
It's Delhi.
she did not give it away
Next
at all.
question.
Actually, she's a very fine
Next
actress.
question.
Do you agree
She's
with
a
that?
fine actor. She's a fine actor.
1 out of 2. You still have a chance, Ranveer Singh.
That was easy actually.
Okay, what was Vani Kapoor's name in Shuddh Desi Romance?
Oh,
Shruti?
ये तो easy था.
Okay, 2 out
Why
of
is
3.
he getting all the easy ones?
This is not easy at all.
This is very
It's
easy.
not
2
easy
out
at all.
of No, it's not a. Even you got
the
like
names in film.
even you
What
got
the name
quite.
was in Gunde. You
I
obviously.
knew Baji Rao.
Baji Rao. This because the title is like Baji Rao Mastani.
I knew in Band Baja.
True or false?
Lady
Vani-
versus Ricky
Bet you
Bear.
can't tell.
Lady versus Ricky Bear, I
You
know.
can't tell.
Bilkul, bilkul.
Gunde you can't.
Okay, true or false? Vani won Best Female Debut for her film Shuddh Desi Romance. True or false?
She won.
Best Female Debut for her film Shuddh Desi
In
Romance.
which award?
Filmfare.
Yes, she did.
So it's like 3 out of 4.
Yeah,
In it to win
He
it.
is doing pretty well.
In it
actually.
to win it.
He's
In
doing
it to
pretty
win
well.
it. Tadak, bhadak.
Okay,
Sadak.
what is Vani Kapoor's Twitter handle? Official Vani, Vani official, Kapoor, Vani Kapoor.
Pani official.
So it's like 4 out of.
Boom! It's a tie, babe.
It's
हाँ,
a
it's a
tie.
tie, yeah.
It's a tie. So what we'll do is we'll ask one question each to both of you.
चलो अभी देखते हैं.
Okay, and we'll ask
I'm very happy that he knew a lot.
I didn't even need the options.
what
I'm
does
a
the
Vani
bio
expert.
of Ranveer Singh on Twitter reads?
Huh?
What does the bio of Ranveer Singh on Twitter reads? Chasing the dream, reliving the dream, living the dream, following the dream. Chasing the dream, reliving the dream, living the dream, following the dream.
Living the dream.
I think that was easy though.
Okay.
ये headphones.
मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
Headphones.
Vani did a Tamil film in 2014.
Are
Named the film.
Aha Kalyanam.
Why such easy ones to me?
It's like it's still a tie, boss.
I think we both should like break it into.
One you here, one I.
Okay, one more last question. We'll try. Ranveer Singh starts his own wedding planning business after splitting from Anushka Sharma in Band Baja Barat. What was its name? Shadi Mubarak.
शादी मुबारक.
Ranveer Singh starts his own wedding planning business
अच्छा,
after splitting
हाँ,
from
हाँ,
Anushka.
हाँ.
Shadi Mubarak Dvitiya, Shadi Mubarak Returns, Happy Wedding, Shadi Mubarak Dobara.
Gaya, she gave her answer.
नहीं मैंने
Now
सुना
it's
था.
on me.
मेरे को I thought together.
This has gone into sudden death penalty.
You know what happened?
That's because she jumped the gun. That's her fault. Now I have to
हाँ,
take.
चलो,
The
ठीक
question
है.
is to me.
हाँ.
If I score this penalty, I win the World Cup. Pose the question to
अभी
me, sir.
हमारे-
It's only fair. It's
No,
only
यार.
fair. I know you are a fair and righteous man, Faridun. Therefore, you
Right.
pose this
Exactly, you're
question.
a righteous man. You would do the right thing.
Actually, what he's saying is right.
I actually
jumped the gun.
I thought the question is only something
I'll ask my
else.
question now, sir. I'm ready.
Right. Okay, it's not easy either.
I'm
Vani
breaking that.
obtained bachelor's degree in tourism studies from which university? University of Delhi, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology.
I think see टुकड़े होने वाले हैं अभी. We were going to break this.
अभी थोड़ा-
And you can't hint. Now you can't hint him.
I can't.
No. I'm watching you.
Okay, so yes, she did tourism studies. She did it from.
University of Delhi, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology.
I think it's over. So let's just call it a tie or whatever, a draw. And let's break that. And
Go on.
Okay.
I don't know.
Let me try. Let me see if I know her pulse.
Or maybe he just knows it and he's just taking time.
Wait. Vani's done tourism studies from which university?
I'm trying to think other things so he doesn't get those waves.
Delhi University. आगे बोलो options.
Hey, आप not नहीं कर सकते.
Indira Gandhi National Open University,
Indira Gandhi.
JNU, Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology.
नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस नहीं है. JNU नहीं है.
Should I do 50-50?
नहीं, ये 50-50 मुझे तो नहीं मिला 50-50.
आपको मिला था ना? आपको 50-50 नहीं मिला था?
And I have not used my 50-50 by the
He
way.
has not changed it. He has not.
Because he's a fair and righteous man.
No.
Therefore, he will give me the 50-50. I love you, computer
University,
Jay. I love you,
University of
computer.
Delhi or Indira Gandhi National Open University.
Indira Gandhi National Open.
And he's right.
And I have won.
We have one more segment. We'll quickly do it. Quickly do it. And there's one more.
Give na.
There's one more. There's one
What?
but
That color's nice actually. So that's mine.
You know.
You know
So
what?
we'll quickly start before they come. Actually, so it's like it's fun. Okay, it's fun. So it's like truth and dare, which
Yeah.
is part of your movie as well. So let's have truth and dare with you guys. Okay, so dare for Ranveer, if you allow that, Dubina.
Okay.
If you have to imagine you are smooching a girl, mimic the kiss and make the appropriate sounds.
Okay.
On national television, you want to do this?
This is international. This is-
Not bad.
Not bad actually. If you can imitate Rakhi Saab.
Cheating. This is cheating. But तुमने cheating की है.
I saw that.
Okay, pretend you're calling your hot neighbor or colleague and tell them you want to do naughty things with him or her.
Hi, Vani. How are you doing? It seems I haven't got my fill from Payfigure. What are you doing later?
Not bad.
Okay.
Don't make me do all these things now.
Yeah, I mean, in fact, one more.
You wanna like watch some Netflix and chill?
Okay,
That's
now,
pretty good
it is-
though.
it is-
I do
it is
watch
there-
Netflix
there-
and I do
therefore,
love chilling.
it is there for Vani now. If you can flirt and seduce Ranveer Singh.
If I can,
Flirt and seduce Ranveer Singh. फिल्म में तो देखिए आपने काफी आप लोगों ने मतलब ये है कि एडवेंचर किया है.
very bad.
देसी फिल्म में ले दे के तो देसी फिल्म है.
Okay.
दिखता है एडवेंचरस लेकिन इसका दिल देसी है.
That's true.
Okay.
वो गया, ले गया.
Alright, if you can abuse Ranveer Singh in French and ask him to reply in Sindhi,
Why would I want to abuse him?
in a fun manner, in a not.
Sindhi.
हट चरी.
We'd like to share an adult joke with our viewers.
I'm thinking of any right now.
Do it, Vani.
Did anybody think of any adult joke here?
Do it, man.
Can you?
I only
Just
know-
whisper. Just
only,
whisper.
Only
Ah.
jokes I know are adult jokes.
Yeah.
Oh God. See now I can't really think of any adult joke right now. I can't think of it. Just give that to me, yeah.
दो
That's not fair, yeah.
एक
It's a very-
on
it's a very-
दूसरा on.
Right.
whisper one.
I'm flying for.
Yeah,
I'm winning
I think.
everything.
Actually, we have. If you can give 2 minutes to
These are
us,
too difficult.
we have truth as well. So we'll try the truth as well.
Let's do
And
the
maybe-
truth. Let's
Yeah.
just
Okay.
like.
So all right. So we'll start with you.
Yeah.
All right. So truth with Ranveer Singh. Are you a virgin?
No.
Okay. Imagine you have to change the size of dimensions of any one body part. Which part would you change, and what size would it become?
Next question.
Don't want to answer that?
No, I've answered it. I mean, it's a very. Come on.
It is. Come on. Okay.
I would actually reduce the size of my big bulbous nose.
Big.
Yeah, just little shave here, just make it a little sharper.
Okay. All right. What is your wildest sexual fantasy?
Wildest sexual fantasy.
Yeah.
let's just, without giving too much away, say it has to do with Nutella.
Nutella. Okay. All right. So now, truth with Vani. Have you
I
ever
will
done
steal that if they ask me the same.
Hanji,
Ah.
have you ever done a striptease for your special someone?
No.
Nope. You haven't. Okay. When was the last
Not
time?
the kind that I did in the movie.
Many.
आपने किया है. Okay. When was the last time you checked out someone's ass? Was it a male or female, and someone from the industry?
I haven't like.
In the movie, you sound very.
Yeah, in the
very
movie I
confident.
did.
Yeah.
How I want this pair of headphones because every response of hers is a lie.
How is it a lie?
She is obsessed with asses.
She is.
Oh God!
Yeah,
I
that's
checked
it.
my ass in the mirror today.
See, obsessed with asses.
Okay.
Such a
If you had only a few hours to live, Vani Kapoor, what would you do first? Sleep with someone you had a crush on, or steal an item you've wanted your whole life?
How about just eat a lot?
Nice.
No, eat
Yeah.
as much as possible. Because I don't care. I'm gonna
Yeah.
die. I don't care about
Yeah,
putting
it's
on
not about
weight.
spending time with your loved ones or
Oh, yeah,
like
that too.
that or anything. She wants to eat before the world comes to an end.
You know,
the world is coming to an
I
end.
know a special song.
we have tried.
He said somebody who you have a crush on.
Okay, we have tried. We have
Crush on
tried
and
our
all
best.
on that important.
We have tried our best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, give those two. But we have gifts for both of you as well. These are like, I think, at least
Then we one made
this is for you. This is
Thank
for
you,
you.
Faridun. So
All right.
first time on Faridun.
Can we open?
First time on
You
Bollywood
can.
Hungama. I'm getting gifts, not one but multiple gifts. Very excited. I'm feeling very bad that I'm
I didn't get you
It's like,
anything.
it's like a band you put on
barbaric
your-
with
on your wrist.
this beautiful Bollywood Hungama
So
wrapping
cool.
paper.
I know.
Uh,
1 second. How do I open
I
it?
just want to say Bollywood
It will
Hungama
take
is
time.
awesome.
You'll have to. I think you'll have to take. You'll have to do it later.
But I am so. This is my favorite interview because I got two gifts. One stolen, the other well deserved.
Palle, palle.
We still haven't been able to ask the fan question. Hopefully, we'll do it post the release. If we can get and yeah, so
मैं फैंस को कभी ना नहीं बोलता किसी भी चीज के लिए पूछो रैपिड फायर
five each we can ask.
रैपिड फायर
Quickly, we'll do it quickly, very quick. This is Maudi from Kuwait for Ranveer. If you got
मूडी बेफिक्रे
if you got told now that you go to Paris and you have to pack, what you will take?
I will take my new pair of headphones. Walk the streets of Paris, listen to some
Okay, Neha from Dubai.
Neha Bhargava.
Yes, for
Oh my
for-
God.
One, if you're able to sit under the table and listen to any two people speak, who would it be?
Ranveer Singh himself.
Okay, Toxic Sunny from Chandigarh for Ranveer. What was going on in your mind while shooting for that red underwear scene?
It was really cold and मेरी कुल्फी जम रही थी.
Okay, this is Vani, Jasmine Fakri from Tunisia for
Very
Vani.
nice. Hi Jasmine.
And advice by Aditya Chopra that you will never forget.
Be yourself. You're unique.
क्या बात है?
Okay, Aparna from Kerala. What is the most carefree thing about Aditya Chopra that people are unaware of?
You will find out in Bayfair.
This is Vikas from Hyderabad. How did you feel after knowing that you will be having so many kissing scenes in the movie?
I was very happy about it.
Okay, this was for her.
Oh.
This was for her.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I was very happy about it.
Okay, I think we'll wrap it up. Yeah.
Okay. Covered it all. We covered it all. And for that,
You guys are
I mean,
so nice.
thank you for these rewards
Thank
and
you.
prizes.
Thank you.
But you know what I really want. So you know what I really want.
वो off camera मिलेगा. Farid.
Then he is asking for something.
अच्छा, गाना?
He is asking something else. वो हाँ हो गया, शुरू हो गया.
Song?
शुरू होना हो गया.
निराश करके देते हैं.
Song ना?
I can't
So
say
guys.
that निराश के आपने इतने अच्छे-अच्छे phrases